We're going to have to break through. Okay, long on the NASDAQ. You've got a long on the NASDAQ. Got a long on the NASDAQ. 55.75 with buyers, and they failed. It is a long. A lot of buyers up in here. Nope. Come on, Mazzy. Seller showing up here. Got to come back through and get these buyers. Next entry was right here. Next candle, we'll see what we get. Buyers. I need buyers now. There we go. There's first target, guys. There you go. All right, there's really nowhere to hide. Back in here, 56. There's nowhere to hide, guys. There's nowhere to hide that. If you want, realistically, 51.50, but I'm not. There you go. 59, 55, 75. There's nowhere to hide, fellas. Maybe here, 55, 75, where we're at. I need another candle. They are buying cattle, but it's slow, so I'll wait on that. This is where I'm hidden, 55.75. So far it's holding. Where's my chart? Here's a 5-minute. I need another candle. I don't have it for 3 minutes. Come on. There we go. Let's look for some targets here. We're breaking out at 240. This is a target up here, guys, 72.75. That's my target, 72.75. That's a target, fellas, okay? Now, I get another candle in 3 minutes. If I can come back through here with buyers, I mean, we've got only a few stacked buyers in here. Best stop I have right now, guys, honestly, is 53.5. This could pull back into 56.25, but 53.5 is probably the best stop. Unless we find, there we go, stack buyers again. Two minutes to the next candle, but we're not getting, a string of these stacked buyers, right? We have buyers. They bought a lot of them, but I need another push so I can hide somewhere. I have nowhere to move my stop to yet. The best stop I have is still here, 56. Unless I get another push. 54.50 is probably the best stop now. Come on, one more push with stacked buyers. Everybody good? Trade them as you see fit, guys, but looking across, come on, one more. Let's go. 5 buyers left up here is not good. I need buyers. One tick the high, usually bearish. We should just Steve, I love the NASDAQ. You know, I didn't trade it for a long time, and guys love it, so I started trading it. It's actually, I think, I'd have to ask Dean for confirmation, but I think it's actually my number one instrument now, dollar-wise. Were you in? You missed yesterday, Steve. I had a $2,000 trade on the NASDAQ yesterday. One trade, 408 ticks. 405 ticks. I stand corrected. There we go. Come on. All right. I still really have nowhere to hide a stop. All right. Now I do. Now we can come down below 61. Maybe let's call it 60 for the next candle. 60 half. I'm hiding at 60 half. So it's too high. 59 half. 59 half. Now, if this keeps pushing for 4 more minutes, now I've got stacked buyers. I can hide 61 quarter. As long as it doesn't breach back down through 61 quarter, I can go to. $62 quarters really got a hold for me. Big seller here. It's got to loop back through this seller here at 63. There we go. Guys, you can thank Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. Thank them. Sellers here. They bid through him. They've got a bid. There we go. There we go. You can move your stop, guys, to 61 quarter. It's a little tight. Call it 61. On the next candle, I'll move it up probably to 62 quarter. The fangs thank us. We thank the fangs. Okay, seller showing up here. I want this to hold a support, 63. Get these guys out of here. They're selling them back. But I'm just below here. Now, if you want to stay in the trade, best stop I have, seriously, is 57.75. See if you can get a bigger push into that 79 number, 57.75. You'd lock in about 2 points from here. That's it. 2 minutes. right, guys, my stop is 61, but on the next candle, I'll move it. Okay? We'll probably go to 65.75 in 1 second. 65.75 is your stop. 65.75. We've locked in 10 handles, guys. 10 handles. Got to be sellers. Sellers. Not many, but there's sellers in cattle. I'm down here, 65.75, below this buyer imbalance. Very few sellers in this block, 7-1-16. I want this to hold. It'll hold at least once. It may not hold. It's not going to hold. If you guys want to keep this trade, your stop needs to be 61.25, where our last stop was. If you want to try to get a bigger move, 61.25. That's the best stop. That's 2 standard deviations down. Clear? If you guys want to try for a bigger move, 61.25. It's 2 standard deviations out from price now. Look, that's my target at 72. We're almost there. Where do I get that target? Right here. Look at gold. I think we'll see 72. This may take me first. Out. 10 handles locked in. Everybody good? Let's get a retracement. We'll look for another trade. Okay. Now that is a nicer trade. All right, guys, we got most of that move. It's still in longs, fellas. Anybody that, wanted the trade, I gave you the stop, 61.25.